So yes, hello Embibers. Once again, how are you all? All good? Good afternoon, all of you. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Am I audible and visible? क्या आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Okay. Wait for a moment, then we will start the session here. Yes, once again हमारे पास एक और काफी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. ऑब्वियसली सर्कल. सो सर्कल की अगर बात करें तो कल हमने जैसे कि पैराबोला, हाइपरबोला और यस एलिप्स सब पे क्वेश्चंस लगा चुके हैं और आज हमारी बारी है सर्कल पे बात करने की. ओके, सो सर्कल के बाद आपका आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट पूरा कोनिक्स कवर हो जाएगा. यस, कोनिक्स से जिससे आपके 8 से 10 12 मार्क्स तक कवर हो जाते हैं. सो यस, काफी कुछ हट चुका है. जैसे कि हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी बात की थी कि काफी कुछ कम हो चुका है टेंजेंसी को लेकर और काफी सारे क्वेश्चन से टॉपिक से जो हट चुके हैं जेईई मेंस को लेकर. सो बस कुछ क्वेश्चन से कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चन से हमारे पास कुछ सिलेक्शन है गुड क्वेश्चन के. लाइक 10 से 12 क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. सो चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं. जो डिस्कस करने वाले होंगे, जो अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन हैं, वो कुछ ढूंढ के लाया हूं मैं आपके लिए. सो बिफोर स्टार्ट द सेशन हियर, कुछ बात करते हैं सेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले. यस, दिस इज अबाउट माई सेल्फ. सो हैव एक्सपीरियंस मोर देन 6 ईयर, mentor more than 10,000 students, and yes, specialization in mathematics here. And yes, students, try to download the app Embibe really. Yes, Embibe application and Embibe lens app. Lens app, you know that अगर आपको 3D मॉडल देखना है, विजुअलाइजेशन अच्छे से, yes, like 3D ज्योमेट्री की भी बात करें अगर, just simply click the picture, you will get 3D visualization and all the information in Embibe lens app. Clear? All right. One more thing need to discuss here. Yes, क्या आपको कोई डाउट है? Yes, बहुत सारे डाउट्स होते हैं. If you have a doubt, you can clear on the spot. Yes, we have a doubt resolution WhatsApp channel, so simply just join it. And yes, we have a Telegram channel as well. In a description box, there is a link already given. Just try to join us there. Like whatever we have done in entire class, even though the question as well, yes, everything will be available there. So just join it. Okay, all right. Okay, students, try to like, share and subscribe as well. Okay, yes, ज्यादा टारगेट नहीं है, सिंपल, जस्ट ट्राई टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. ऑलराइट, सो एक तरह का बूस्टर मिलने वाला है आपको यहाँ पे. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो पिछले 2-3 साल में काफी ज्यादा रिपीट हो रहे हैं, उस टाइप के कंसेप्ट, उस टाइप के क्वेश्चन, उसी को आज हम टारगेट करने वाले हैं. क्लियर? ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्ट द सेशन हियर, व्हाट वी हैव, ड्रोना बैच जी 2024, ऑब्वियसली एम्बाइबर्स. सो आपके पास काफी कुछ सीखना है इसी कुछ ही दिनों में और काफी कुछ जानना है और काफी सारे एग्जाम्स को क्रैक करना है. ऑब्वियसली कम दिन बचे हुए. सो जेईई 2024 के लिए हमारे पास एक प्लान है यहाँ पे. लुक एट द शेड्यूल ऑन एप्लीकेशन हियर. यस, सो मैथमेटिक्स की अगर हम बात करें तो हम मिलने वाले हैं ट्यूसडे को, करेक्ट, फ्राइडे को, यस, इवन ऑन सैटरडे ऑल्सो. और अगर आप बात करते हैं यूट्यूब पर भी, yes students, on a YouTube, like Monday 2 p.m, then Wednesday 3 p.m and Thursday, जैसा कि आज की बात हो रही है, yes, 2 p.m. So 3 day on YouTube and 3 day on Embibe application. All right. So yes students, definitely we have a plan. हम जितनी ज्यादा से ज्यादा PYQ और अच्छे अच्छे कंसेप्ट को कवर करें जितनी जल्दी. कुछ ट्रिक्स हैं, कुछ टिप्स हैं. यस, कैसे आपका जेईई 2024 क्रैक होगा, सब कुछ वहां पे अवेलेबल है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा यस यूट्यूब पर भी चल रहा है ऑब्वियसली, और एप्लीकेशन पे भी जोड़ने की कोशिश करें. सो यस, टॉक अबाउट दिस सर्कल हियर. जैसे कि अभी हमने सर्कल की बात की थी, तो कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है आपके पास, जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि जो काफी रिपीट हो रहे हैं, कुछ उस पैटर्न के या उस टाइप के, करेक्ट. सो आज हम उन्हीं टाइप के क्वेश्चन को करने वाले हैं. सो फोकस ऑन फर्स्ट वन, द फर्स्ट पार्ट, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यस, 2023 का क्वेश्चन है ये. लेट ए बी द पॉइंट लाइक 1, 2 एंड बी बी एनी पॉइंट. यस, बी बी एनी पॉइंट ऑन curve or like on a circle. We can say x square plus y square equal to 16 with a center 0, 0 and radius 4 square, that means 4. If the center of a locus of a point P which divides the line segment AB into 3:2 is C, that is alpha beta, then the length of the line segment AC AC का आपको लेंथ निकालना है, लाइन सेगमेंट निकालना है, करेक्ट। ओके, सो हाउ डू वी सॉल्व हियर? सिंपल ज्योमेट्री यूज करना है आपको, बस और कुछ नहीं करना है। टेक अ लुक हियर, टेक अ लुक हियर, फोकस ऑन अ बोर्ड हियर, वी हैव A and B, correct, and we have a point P. Okay, now the coordinate of A is given, that is 1 comma 2. We don't know about B, so what will be the coordinate of a B here? Any idea? We don't know, but the B must be on curve x square plus y square equal to 16 here. So what is x square plus y square equal to 16? We have a center, that is 0 0, radius is 4. So if any point on a curve, on a circle in a parametric form, we can say it's a cos theta or a sin theta, correct? So just take B here, 4 cos theta and 4 sin theta. Then there is a point P. I have to take S comma Y or H comma K, which divides line segment AB into 3:2 here. So what will be the coordinate of P? Simple. Section formula apply करिए. Yes. H equal to what? mx2 is 4 is a 12 cos theta plus 2 into 1 divided by 3 plus 2, that is 5. And what is K here? 3 is 12 sin theta plus 2 2 4 divided by 5. Or try to find out the value of cos theta and sin theta. 5h minus 2 by 12. So yes, cos theta is 5h minus 2 by 12. And what is sin theta? 5k minus 4 by 12. Clear? So easy and simple. Now just square and add these two equations. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 5h minus 2 by 12 whole of square plus 5k minus 4 by 12 whole of square is equal to 1. I'll try to solve it. 12 square is common, 144. Okay, it goes to the right side. We get what? 5h minus 2 whole of square plus 5k minus 4 whole of square is equal to 12 square. Or we can take 5 common, 5 square common from the numerator. Yes, what we get here? Like h minus 2 by 5 whole of square plus k minus 4 by 5 whole of square is equal to 12 by 5 whole of square. Now taking locus, if you take a locus, h comma k will replace by x comma y. Is it? So what we get here? X minus 2 by 5 whole of square plus y minus 4 by 5 whole of square is equal to 12 by 5 whole of square. What we get? Again we get what? Circle. Correct? So the line segment AB divide in a ratio of 3:2. Point C, that is alpha comma beta. Is it? So what will be the equation of a circle? That means the center would be like h comma k 2 by 5 and 4 by 5 here. Then what about the A to C distance? We have a C. We have a A 1 comma 2. AC is equal to square root of 1 minus 2 by 5 whole of square plus 2 minus 4 by 5 whole of square. Correct? Just simplify. We will get the answer. 3 root 5 by 5 will be the answer. If option does not match, or we can apply 3 by root 5. Done. That will be the final answer. Yes, 3 root 5 by 5 or 3 by root 5. Both are correct. Yes, both are correct. This is the first one. Okay? Yes, this is the first one. So इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन आपके आ जाते हैं. Now focus on the next here. The next one, question number 2. Let a triangle be inscribed in a circle x square minus root 2x plus y square such that angle BAC is pi by 2, 90 degree if the length of a side AB is root 2. Then the area of a triangle. Which option is correct here? Anyone know that? Any idea? A, B, C, D? Yes. Time ले, वीडियो को पॉज करें, सॉल्व करें. Yes, it's exam time. Just solve करें और फिर अपना सॉल्यूशन मैच करें. Alright, we have a circle, correct? आपके पास सर्कल का इक्वेशन गिवन है यहाँ पे. Yes, it is circle x square minus root 2x minus root 2y plus y square equal to 0. Just compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. But the center is minus e and minus f. Yes, so what we get the center here? Any idea? 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. And what will be the radius here? Yes, square root of g square plus f square minus c. Exactly, 1 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square and c constant. That will be 0 here. Yes, so we get radius 1 unit. Now we have to make the figure. Okay, we have a circle, correct? And then at the center, like that. Okay, what do you think about it? If we name the triangle which is inscribed it, with the triangle here, we have a triangle ABC, ABC, where the angle BAC is 90 degree. Is it? So what you assume by BC here? If AB and AC are perpendicular, there is a 90 degree. Yes, it will become the property. If you remember, BC lies on, BC pass through the center, touches the two extremities of the circle. Yes, it's a diameter. Correct? Exactly, it's a diameter. So in a question, AB is root 2, square root of 2. It is already given here. What about the rest of it? If BC is a diameter, we have a radius is 1 unit. So BC will be 2 unit. What about AC? By Pythagoras, we have to find it out. 4 minus 2, that is 2. Square root of 2. AC is square root of 2. Then what we need to find out? The area of a triangle ABC here. That should be what? Half into base into height. Correct? Half into AB into AC. Just apply, you will get the answer. Root 2 into root 2 upon 2, that should be 1 unit square. Yes, 1 will be the right answer, correct answer. How easy? Is it clear? So the property based question here, 9th class ka property, very easy. Yes. Take a look here. The next part. The next question. Question number 3. A circle C touches a line x equal to 2y. Yes. At 2, 1 and intersect the another circle at 2 points P and Q such that PQ is the diameter of C1. Then find the diameter of the circle which touches line 2, 1. All right, take a look here. That's just the point 2, 1. So simply if we make a kind of a figure, what kind of a figure we will get here? If we have a rough figure, just take a look here, the rough figure. One circle is there, correct? And then we have another circle. Move this point. Okay, take that here. Okay, and there is a line as well which touches the previous circle, that is C. Yes, the line is x minus 2y equal to 0. Now this is the C and this is the C1. They both are intersect at PQ. Okay, at P and Q here. So what you assume here? The family of a circle, equation of a line passing through the point of the intersection, if you remember, s equal to 0, line L equal to 0. Yes, s plus lambda L equal to 0. So that, okay, what will be the equation of a circle? We have like x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. That means what? It should be like x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole of square plus lambda time or any constant time. That should be what? X minus 2y is equal to 0. Oh, we have to solve it little bit. X square plus y square. Yes, we have a y minus 1 whole square as well. Minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 plus 1, that should be plus 5. And plus lambda time x minus 2y is equal to 0. That could be equation number 1. Now we have another circle equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. That is the equation number 2 here. Now, what do you assume about PQ? PQ is the diameter of C1, correct? So that must be passed through what? Which condition we need to apply? The common chord condition, is it? So in a common chord condition, what we have to apply? C minus C1 is equal to 0. So just subtract here. What we get? Any idea? The x coefficient, that should be like minus 4 plus lambda time x. Then minus 4 plus 2 lambda time y plus 10 is equal to 0. So that should be lies on a center of C1. Yes, it will pass through the center C1. What will be the center of C1? Any idea? X coefficient is 0, comma minus 1. So 0, comma minus 1 will satisfy equation number 3. To get the value of lambda. Yes, to get the value of lambda, how easy? So just substitute here. What we get here? X is 0, so the first one will become 0. Y is minus 1. It will become positive. So we get 4 plus 2 lambda plus 10 is equal to 0. 14 minus 7. Lambda is minus 7. Now substitute lambda's value in equation star. Yes, आपको star बनाते हैं यहाँ पे. Substitute in equation star. So we get what? X minus 2 whole of a square plus y minus 1 whole of a square minus 7 times x minus 2y is equal to 0. Again try to solve it. Yes. Again we need to find it. What? Just compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 and find out the radius. Square root of g square plus f square minus c, and just do the double of it. You will get diameter of c, that is 7 root 5. Okay, so थोड़ा सा calculation part बचता है, वो आप करेंगे. Yes, exactly. अगर आप कर लेंगे, so you have to just comment on a chat box. All clear? Easy है? Okay. Focus on the next year, the next part, the next question. Take a look here. Question number 4. Yes. Consider a circle which touches y-axis at 0, 6 and cuts the intercept 6 root 5 on a x-axis. Then the radius of a circle C is. कितना easy question है. कितना easy question है. All right, you can solve it directly. The radius root 53, 9 or 8 or root of 82. Okay, सबसे पहले एक circle बनाते हैं. Okay. All right, we have a circle. Done. So इस सर्कल की क्या खास बात है? कंसीडर सर्कल जो कि y एक्सिस को टच करता है. अच्छी बात है. Just touches the y axis. All right. Done. And then cut the intercept of 6 root 5 on x axis. X axis पे intercept cut होता है. Okay, clear? Now, we have a center here at the corner. Now, look at the point here, which touches at the y-axis, that yellow one. That is, I have to just name it B, 0, 6. Okay, so this point will also remain same. This one, that y-axis part, अगर आपने इसे center से join किया, that should be 6. Correct? Okay, now, look at the intercept part. We have here m and n. The length of mn is given 6 root 5, and where ct is perpendicular on mn. Yes, again class 9 concept. If we drop what? Perpendicular on a chord, it will divide your chord into 2 equal segment here. So the value of mn and tn, mt and tn both are equal. So that should be taken as what? Half of mn. That should be what? 3 root 5. Okay. So mt is 3 root 5 here. Then what will be the radius cm is the radius. Apply Pythagoras, you will get the answer. 4 mark. Yes. How easy you will get the 4 mark here. cm square is equal to ct square plus mt square. Correct? So just try to solve it. Square root of cm is equal to what? 6 square. That should be taken as 6 square. Is it? 6 square plus 3 times root 5 whole square. 36 plus 45. 81. 9 is the right answer. Final answer. Okay, just note it down, each and every one. All right. All clear? Now focus on next here. What we have? Focus on next here. What we have? The next question. Take a look here. Question number 5. Let the tangent at point A and B on a circle. Yes, the circle equation is given here. They both are intersect at C. Then the radius of the circle whose center is C and line joining A and B, its tangent is equal to. Any idea? Any guess? How do we solve? Anyone? Take your time, all of you. So सबसे पहले आपको निकालना क्या है? यहाँ पे आपके पास एक सर्कल है. Take a look here. We have a circle and then two tangents are there. Yes, this is the first one, this is the second one. They both are intersect at C. Is it? We have a and B as well. A and B as well. So A is nothing but it's 4 comma minus 11 and B is nothing but it's 8 comma minus 5. Clear? So first of all, try to find out the coordinate of C here to get the answer, because C, then the line joining segment AB, it's tangent. Now then we have another circle with a center C and AB is the tangent. Like that, एक बड़ा सा सर्कल आएगा जिस पे AB tangent हो जाएगा. Okay. Try to find out the equation of AB. Yes, y minus y1. Remember? Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope form. Yes, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and this. Or if we simplify, what we get here? 3x minus 2y minus 34 is equal to 0. That is could be equation number 1. Also, AB is nothing but chord of contact we can apply. Yes, the chord of contact concept like T is equal to 0. Something like that we can apply and then compare the equation as well. Or otherwise, what we can do? We can find the equation of tangent at A and B, correct? At A, so that could be what? X1, like a 4x, y1, then T plus x1, remember? 2x will become x plus x1 3 times, x plus 4 by 2 plus 10 times, y minus 11 whole by 2 minus 15 is equal to 0. Or it will be 5x minus 12y minus 152 is equal to 0. That should be equation number 2. Similarly on B, like on point B, 8x minus 5y minus 3 times 3 by 2, x plus 8 plus 10 times y minus 5 by 2 minus 15 equal to 0. Once we solve, what we get here? 13x minus 104 is equal to 0. Or we can directly get x here. 104 by 13, that is what? 8. Substitute x equal to 8 in equation second. Yes, substitute x equal to 8 in equation second, we will get y. That is 28 by 3. Easy? Yes, that is the point. That is the point. That is the C here. Yes, 8 comma 28 by 3 here. Now, what we need to calculate here? The length. Yes, the radius. Yes, the perpendicular. Exactly. Just try to solve it. Radius would be what? ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by root over a square plus b square. That should be what? 3 square 9 plus 4, 13. Which is equal to, yes, we need to solve it. Just try to solve it. 2 times root 13 by 3 is the answer. Done. Just note it down. Each and every one. Very important question. But easy. Yes, you all can do that. All right. Moving forward, question number 6. Yes, it's time to do the 6 here. So quick. So what we have here, 40 belongs to 0 to 2 pi if ABC is an equilateral triangle with vertices given such that orthocenter lies on a circle with center 1 comma 1 by 3. Remember, orthocenter. Yes, it is lies. Then a square minus b square is equal to what? Okay, make a triangle first. Make a triangle first. So the coordinates are already given here. Yes, we have a, b, c. So look at the coordinate here of a, that is sine t minus of cos t. Then we have a cos t, sine t, and the last one simple a comma b here. Now what next? What next? Any idea? Anyone? Now orthocenter, if we talk about the orthocenter, we have to just assume point P, any h comma k, correct? So if point P is orthocenter, then what will be the probability of orthocenter to find it? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 here. So find the coordinate of h here. Sin t plus cos t plus small a divided by 3, correct? Or we can say that it could be sin t plus cos t is equal to 3h minus a. That could be equation number 1. And what is about k here? Minus of cos t plus of sin t plus b divided by 3. Or we can say that sin t minus cos t is equal to 3k minus b. That is equation number 2. Now just simply square and add it. A sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. We get what? 2 sin a sin b, like that. Yes, and then here 2 sin a sin b as well. Minus 2 sin a sin b, it will cancel out. 1 plus 1 will become 2. Yes, once we just square and add equation 1 and 2, what we get here? Any idea? We get 3h minus a whole of square plus 3k minus b whole of square is equal to 2. Or if we take 3 common at the numerator, yes, 3 like 3 square, that should be 9. So we get what? H minus a by 3 whole of square plus k minus b by 3 whole of square. It should be 2 by 9. Or we can write down what? Square root of 2 by 3 whole of square, like that. It is again we have a square. Since we know that orthocenter, yes, what about the orthocenter? Orthocenter lies on a circle. Yes, and orthocenter coincide with a centroid as well. Orthocenter और centroid दोनों ही coincide करते, remember. So what will be the center will be, that is 1 comma 1 by 3. So we have a small a, that is 1 and small b, that is 1, and small a is 3 here actually. So a square minus b square is equal to what? 9 minus 1, 8 will be the final answer. Option B is the correct answer. Just note it down, each and every one. Just note it down. Okay. Clear? Noted it done. All right. So moving forward, the next question, question number 7. The set of a value of k for which the circle 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x plus 8y plus k equal to 0 lies inside the fourth quadrant, and the point 1 comma minus 1 by 3 lies on or inside the circle. ये कहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है? सर्कल के ऊपर या सर्कल के अंदर. Correct? Then we have to just find out the limit here about k here. K की limit हमें find करना. Simply the range of the k we need to find here. So anyone know that? Any idea how do we solve it? How do we? Any idea? How do we approach? कैसे solve करें ऐसे questions को? Anyone? Yes, the set of the value of k. Okay, सबसे पहले तो focus करते हैं हमारे circle पे. Correct? Like we have a 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x plus 8y plus k is equal to 0, just divided by 4. We get x square plus y square minus 3x plus 2y plus k by 4 is equal to 0. That should be equation 1 and 2. We will use both at the moment. Now, what will be the center? Minus g and minus f. That is 3 by 2, comma minus 1. That is the center. Now find out the radius as well. We need to find the radius. It depends on k here. Okay. Now, what do you think about the 1 comma minus 1 by 3? It is lies on or inside the circle. Is it? Yes. So what will the value here? If we substitute the value 3 by 2 and minus 1 in equation 1 here. So that should be like if we put on the value 4 plus 4 by 9 minus 12 minus 8 by 3 plus k, that must be equal to or less than 0. Correct? Or once we solve, we get k less than or equal to 92 by 9. So we get the upper limit like that. Yes. In option D, we will match there, but there is one more option, that is empty set here. So that's why we have to find lower one as well. Now focus on a radius part here. Now the circle lies on a fourth quadrant. Yes, look at the center 3 by 2 comma minus 1. That means the radius must be what? Yes, that must be less than 1 here. Or we can see that root over g square plus f square minus c, that must be like a 9 by 4 plus 1 minus k by 4. That must be less than 1. Squaring both sides, we get what? 13. 13 minus k by 4 less than 1. Or 4, 9, k more than 9 here. Basically, k lies like belong to 9 to 92 by 9 here. Option D is the right answer. Done. Easy? Yes. इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन आपके आते हैं. थोड़ा सा रेंज की हेल्प लेना पड़ता है और कुछ नहीं. All right. Time to do the next one. Question number 8 here. Yes, students, think about it. A circle C touches a line. All right. All right, 2 comma 1. Then intersect the circle at 2 points. Then find the diameter. All right, we have just done the same question if you remember. Yes, same questions. Just solve it and write your answer in a chat box. Okay, clear? All right, take a look here. Very important question. You can take as an homework here. काफी easy है, but a square is inscribed in a circle with a side parallel to the coordinate axis. Okay. Then the distance of the vertex of this square which is nearest to origin. Nearest to origin. कैसे करें इसे? काफी easy है. Take a look here. Now, first of all, make a figure. We have circle. Is it? Then inside the circle we have a square. Clear? All right. This point might be touched here, remember. ओके, नाउ फोकस ऑन अ बोर्ड हियर. अभी करना क्या आपको यहाँ पे, according to like if we compare x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Okay, so 2g minus 6, g is equal to minus 3. And what about f? 2f is equal to 8, that is 4 here. Then center minus g and minus f, so we have a center that could be 3 comma minus 4 here. And what about the radius here? Root over g square plus f square minus c, that could be plus 103 here. So what we get here, 8 root 2. Yes, 128 8 root 2. I have to name the figure as well, a b c d. Now once I join, yes, a to c, so what you conclude here, ac is what? The diameter, correct? Passes through the center. Remember, the center is 3 comma minus 4. It's a diameter. So what will be the length of the diameter? AC, that is 8 root 2 and 8 root 2, simply 16 root 2. Now it's a square, so all sides are equal. So basically in triangle ACD, in right angle triangle ACD, just apply the Pythagoras theorem here, or we can assume x here for a moment. So x square plus x square is equal to AC square. That should be 2x square is equal to 16 times root 2 square, that is 256. 2 gets cancelled out, 16. So we get x equal to 16 here. So we know this side of the square. Remember, the coordinate axes are parallel to x-axis. Remember, so we have a 16. Now, talk about the coordinate of a here. What do we get here? We have a 3 at a y-axis. Once we add like from the middle of the square, so 3 plus 8, that should be 11, correct? And then in minus 4, once we add, yes, 8 more, so minus 4 plus 8, that should be plus 4. Now find out for d here. The x-axis will remain same, yes. And what about the y-axis? Any idea? 4 to 16, 4 minus 16, that should be minus 12. Now about b here, about b, the y-axis remains same, that is plus 4. Then 11 minus 16, yes, all the length are same here. 11 minus 16, that is minus 5. Now about c here, minus 5 x-axis as it is, 4 is there, yes, 4 minus 16, that is minus 12 here. Now what next? We know the coordinate of origin, that is 0 comma 0. अब आपको डिस्टेंस निकालना है, OA, OB, OC and OD by distance formula, yes, and try to find out which one is the smallest, कौन सबसे कम है यहाँ पे. Yes, OA 11 square plus 4 square 121 plus 16 137. OB minus 5 square, that means 25 plus 4 square, that is square root of 41. OC 5 square plus 12 square, that is 144 plus 25, 169, or we can write 13 as well. OD 11 square plus 12 square, that should be square root of 265. So which one is the smallest here? Easy to compare in square root. Root 41 from the origin here. So yes, option C is the right answer. Final answer. Very easy and very simple. Okay, all clear? Now moving forward, what we have, question number 10. So yes, you can assume as in homework this question here. आप इस क्वेश्चन को होमवर्क की तरह करेंगे. And don't forget to write your answer in a chat box. Yes, like if the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle is given here, that is 27 root 3 unit square, then find the value of c here. काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है, कर सकते हैं आप. आपको सर्कल का सेंटर निकालना है यहाँ पे, करेक्ट? ऑल राइट, आपको छोटी सी हिंट दे देता हूं मैं. Yes, it's a equilateral triangle, remember. Yes, it's a equilateral triangle here. So we have it's a 60-degree angle. So what will it will become? 120, just double of it. So आपको इसका साइड पता होना चाहिए. साइड है A. Okay, what will be the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 side square, which is equal to 27 root 3 here. Yes. Then drop a perpendicular and find the value of this one. Just making A by 2, you will get the radius as well. So if you get the radius, you will get the value of c. Why? Because in a radius we can assume under root g square plus f square minus c. Yes, then you will get c here. So just find it out and write your answer in a chat box. Okay, all right. एक और है आपके लिए, ये भी आप कर सकते हैं, काफी इजी है ये यहाँ पे. Yes, a line drawn through the point P4,7 cut the circle at the point A and B, then find PA into PB which is equal to, yes, PA into PB which is equal to PT square. Yes, PT square. Remember, just try to find it and write your answer in a chat box. काफी सारे थे आपके पास, आप होमवर्क के एज्यूम में इसे कर सकते हैं. ओके, ऑल राइट. वन मोर इज देयर, इसे भी आप ट्राई करना कि आपके पास क्या है. द सेंटर ऑफ दो सर्कल हुज like we have a circle externally and also touch the x axis lies on. ओके, जो सर्कल को बाहर से टच करता है और एक्स एक्सिस को टच करता है, तो क्या होगा? वो एक सर्कल है, एलिप्स है, हाइपरबोला है या पैराबोला है. ओके, ऑल. यस, अनदर वन, द लोकस ऑफ अ इमेज ऑफ अ पॉइंट. इजी क्वेश्चन है. ओके, आई जस्ट गिव यू हिंट हियर. हाउ डू वी सॉल्व हियर? ओके, so we have an image here, locus of a point P, that is like 2,3 is there. Yes, और इसका image आप कुछ ले सकते हैं. Then we have here point A and B, remember, and point P as well. So आपको simply PA equal to PB कर लेना है. We will get the answer. Okay, so it's up to you. Try to solve it, all of you. सबको solve करना है. Yes, काफी सारा होमवर्क हो चुका है. And this one as well. So ये फोर्थ क्वेश्चन था आपका होमवर्क के लिए. x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x प्लस 8y प्लस 5. जस्ट ट्रांसपोज टू द अदर साइड एंड वी हैव अ लाइन. ओके, देन द लाइन एट टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट. इफ द कंडीशन इज मिसिंग हियर, कंडीशन यहाँ पे मिसिंग है. ओके, कोई बात नहीं, नो वरी अबाउट इट. M का कंडीशन यहाँ पे मिसिंग है. ओके, सो आप इसे एज एन ऑप्शन रखना. आपके पास बाकी के 3 क्वेश्चन हैं, आप उसे ट्राई करना. करेक्ट? यस, बाकी के 3 क्वेश्चन आप उसे ट्राई कर लेना. इज इट क्लियर? यस. ओके, सो टोटल 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन आपके पास हैं. करना क्या है? उसे सॉल्व करें. सॉल्व करने के बाद कमेंट करें. यस, अगर आपसे होता है अच्छी बात है, अगर आपसे नहीं होता है तो भी बताएं कि हाँ आपसे नहीं हो, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम उसे डिस्कस करेंगे डेफिनेटली. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो यस, दिस इज शेख रफीक साइनिंग ऑफ. अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हमें करना है, बट और ढेर सारे क्वेश्चन हमें अभी और कहाँ पे करने होंगे? ऑब्वियसली एप्लीकेशन पर आइए. यस, बिंदास आइए और काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस को लगाइए और अपने जेईई एग्जाम को इजिली क्रैक करिए. एक और चीज है जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, यस, अबाउट द एप्लीकेशन. Exactly. Students, just try to download these apps, Embibe VLE, Embibe application and Embibe Lens app as well. And you know the feature of Embibe Lens app? Just simply click the picture. Then what? Yes, if you click the picture, you will get 3D visualization. So yes, one more time, we have a Telegram channel. The link is already given in the description. Try to join it. Whatever we have done throughout the class, even the notes and question, everything will be available there. Even if we talk about the doubt resolution WhatsApp app, yes, whenever you have a doubt, you can just join it. You just clear your doubt at the moment here. All right. So yes, students, this is Sheikh Rafique signing off. See you on our next session. Till then, thank you and goodbye. Take care, all of you. Bye, everyone.